Hello, how is it? How does it?
It does good, girl.
I'm in Samantha's van. She just got done with work and we're gonna go on a dress hunting adventure. But first we're gonna go make some lunch. I do want to do a little update. I had my first sleepover in Samantha's van. Woohoo!
It was great.
It was so cute. I loved it. I
said it was great. You're the one who slept in the front seat.
I stayed in this front seat and I was very comfortable. I sleep in a little ball.
But for those who are going to judge me, the bed is quite small and it was very hot. It was like 80 degrees, probably more in the van. And so we thought if we sleep next to each other, it's going to be real hot in there.
And I was totally fine with sitting on the reclined chair. And it was very cute because I had my own little private
Yeah, the curtain, it's like a bedroom because we covered the front windows with window covers.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a little dark hole up here.
It was nice. But I survived, not like I didn't think I would. It was
No, you were fine.
It was great. I loved it. And
we just need more fans. That would have made it. I don't know, you didn't complain about being hot though. I was hot. I'm the one who complains. But you don't like being hot.
I hate being hot.
Yeah.
My body runs hot.
Maybe you're just quiet about it and I'm like,
yeah, I just kind of deal with it.
Yeah.
The next morning I'll probably complain about it, but
You never once complained about it. But I guess I was the whole time complaining about it, so maybe you were like, I don't know, she gets it.
Alright, we don't know what's for lunch yet, but
Curry.
okay, curry.
Vegetable curry.
On Samantha's channel or Instagram, she posted it. Everyone went crazy for it. So I get to indulge in this,
I'm not sure what that was.
in this curry meal. I'm excited.
Indulge in this curry meal. Is that what you said? That was a very delectable way of describing
What is this man doing? It's a red light.
Yeah, he is breaking lots of laws.
Okay. Well,
You know, to each their own. Some people live
life on the edge.
Yes.
She does it again, folks. She does it again. I don't know. I'm really walking into Louis Vuitton looking like this. Not okay. I'm embarrassed for myself to go in there.
I think you look like a Star Wars princess.
Just left Louis Vuitton and every single thing that I wanted to see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Samantha and me vibes all the way. That's a dress. That's so cute. Anyways, I went to Louis Vuitton. Every single thing that I wanted to buy and look at, they did not have. So life update. Haven't done anything. We had dinner. Having some treats.
You did nothing.
Did nothing. Nothing today.
But it's been great.
Yeah.
Just do nothing.
It's today Sunday?
Today's Monday.
Today's Monday. Today's definitely a Monday for sure. Monday feels.
We've been eating pretty healthy. So anyways, I really needed a snack. Ladies, you feel me? We got some Oreos. Got some oat milk. I'm dipping the Oreos in the oat milk. It's Vlog Matrix.
All right, another day in the van. Woo woo! We did nothing yesterday. Went to the gym. We left within 30 minutes.
I actually kind of feel like we did do stuff because we went shopping.
Oh, we did go to a shopping area. We went to Target.
Burlington Coat Factory.
Burlington, which Samantha got lost in.
Very much.
Marshalls and something else. Rainbow. We needed some sandals.
Yeah, we did.
I wasn't supposed to buy anything, but I got some sandals.
We got them 2 for
$20. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 for 20.
2 for 20.
So we bought them together so we could get the deal.
Yeah, that's true. I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I had to save that $4. And then Samantha made me tacos with mushroom and veggies. Today we're doing nothing. I asked to have some drunken noodles, so fingers crossed, and I'll buy the ingredients so Samantha can make me some. And then tomorrow my plans are to fly back to my hometown, and then I have 3 days off. I got stuff to do. I actually work for a summer camp, so we actually have the training for all the instructors this weekend. Yeah, cheer summer camp. I teach cheer summer camp. I am an adult cheerleader.
I wish I was an adult cheerleader. I wish I was doing it with you this year.
And it's actually going to be my 10th year. Would have been my 11th, but I kind of took a break like 3 years ago when I got my new job.
You get a trophy or anything?
I get a clock. A clock trophy. Woo woo!
C-L-O-C-K clock. Call me cheer camp.
But yeah, it's gonna be my 10th year. They're gonna acknowledge all of the 10th years from this year and last year, since it was the pandemic, COVID, quarantine. So we all get acknowledged, which is fun because all my friends in my little class are actually last year's. So still kind of get to celebrate with them. 10 years with a company is pretty amazing. But yeah, I'm doing that this weekend, and then I'll fly back next month, and that's when I start flying with Samantha. We have trips together.
I'm so excited. We're going to Disney.
Yeah, I don't think I updated you guys, but we're going to Disney, and then we actually have a trip to my hometown together. I'm gonna bring her to my hometown.
I'm more excited for that.
Hopefully the next video she's cooking me some drunken noodles.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, we're finally out of the van, out of Whole Foods. We're gonna do some groceries so she can make me more noodles. Ooh. Wow, we have little Filipino sauces here. That's pretty cool. Never seen that. Vegan prosciutto, pretty good. Here you go. I know you want that with that.
What?
I said I know you want that with that. Get what?
Oh, sorry, I totally forgot.
Oh no, you're fine. I just want to show everyone that
Pick them out.
I pick out the onions. Ended up at Barnes and Noble. Ooh, Star Wars. This is my section right here. This is my section, but we're here for Samantha here. Looking for a book. Something Moss.
Sarah
Moss. What? What's going on here? What are we talking about? We need to know. Wow, someone buy me that. Interesting. Oh, my man. I love Darth Vader. Well, we finally found it. It was hidden in plain sight.
We looked everywhere, upstairs, downstairs, and then we finally asked somebody, and it was right in front of our faces.
Wow. Oh, wait, is this the one you wanted?
Well, I think this is the book one, right? But how do I know which is book one? Because Google didn't even really help very much.
The thing I like being in New York is they have New York stuff, like at Walmart, or like Home Goods, and like Marshalls.
Yeah, really everywhere. Really
everywhere. Because everywhere in California, it's only the Giants,
Lakers, Dodgers.
But yeah, I am a Yankee fan, and I was a Yankee fan before I came here.
You didn't see anybody?
I did not. We're back at Whole Foods.
Every day.
Every day. We just left the gym. I actually had a rough morning.
Oh.
I got called into work, but they played me, and they played me hard. So, you know what? I called out. Because I'm supposed to go home tomorrow anyways. And they ruined my plans.
They did.
And I'm actually going to my other job, my summer job. So I just said, whatever, I called out. But yeah, so we're at Whole Foods getting some food.
Samantha was craving a very specific sandwich.
So we're having sandwich stuff. And then we're just gonna have a relaxing day, and then
Picnic at the park.
Yep, picnic at the park. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a early flight back to my hometown, and then have a long weekend ahead.
I have some
Long and fun.
Should I try to make a sandwich with these?
Yeah.
Since I already have them.
Yeah. I made my sandwiches with one side of the bun. I need two. Just can never taste the meat when there's two slices of bread. Open face, baby.